Oh, hi. Yes, Dr. LaGrove. Yeah, I decided to do a video because I need more practice also. And this class is really good because you mentioned that it's good to have more interactions with the students, and the video is probably the best. So yeah, so from now on, for my classes, I'll probably add just like what you did, now and then, maybe every 2 weeks or so a brief video, in the announcement section of the Canvas. That would be good. And yeah, I learned a lot, to make sure that the students will be able to contact me, the different methods when they need to before they fall too far behind, and the module regarding assessments, formative assessments to stay on top of things. The students fall behind, so the quizzes and the homework, how they do, will gauge their performance, uh, how they do in this class. So all those information will be helpful for me uh, to better myself in teaching this class. And since I teach the tax class, so that means I do actually in the past make them to prepare tax returns or study real live tax cases. That way, they will have more practical experience how to deal with the subject matter that they're learning. So I think again that will be good for them. In this class also, one of the modules, you taught us how to utilize the different online resources, like the online educational resources. I had no idea that there's so many videos that we could use. So I will incorporate those into my future classes. Yeah, so all in all, yeah, I really, as I said, I learned a lot from this class. I wish I had taken this class earlier. And I mentioned in the one of the discussion threads that in the past, I don't know, maybe even 10 years ago, one of the students came up to me and asked, Professor, can I try to get the assignment information, on your Canvas website? And I have no idea what he's talking about. So now I know and learn all the different features that Canvas, gives to us. So it's good. I really, really appreciate this class. And actually, I'm gonna save your the Edit 22 module in the down the road. If I have to go back to make reference to it, yeah, and I will do that. And actually, when I put the last two assignments together, actually, I did find myself going back to your older modules to get more information from them. So, okay, so yeah. So, all right, that's all I want to say. As you said, keep it brief and short. So, again, Dr. Lagro, thank you very much for this class, and happy holidays to you and your family. All right, take care and stay safe, and I will see you soon. All right, bye bye now.